Hey guys, Sabellan here. Today this is going to be a quick 4-minute video about this Wedge mobile keyboard. Ignore my voice, I have a cold. It sucks, but yeah, I have to deal. So, I bought this yesterday because my computer, the hinge broke on it, so that has to get fixed. So, in the meantime, I have to use this for school, and typing on the on-screen keyboard is pretty shitty. Because, well, yeah, it's just tiny ass keyboard, so let's just add a little document here. So, this is how it would work. Typing on here is pretty bad. So, I bought this Wedge mobile keyboard from Microsoft. So, over here is just a picture of the keyboard, Microsoft, the name. Again, with the cover though, Windows 8 RT compatible and Windows 8, Mac, Android, Bluetooth, little handle, and just the information about the keyboard, quick tips. So, open it up. This is the keyboard. It's like the Surface keyboard. Has a metal backing, 2 AAA batteries. Where those go is right here. It shows battery symbol. You push in, you pull. Let's install one, and then the other. The Duracell brand. So that should connect to. Yeah, just connected to the tablet because I already connected it earlier, or yesterday. And down here you have the cover that also acts as a tablet stand. It won't be in need of that right now though. So, put this off to the side. Grab the tablet. Let's just prop it up like this with the stand. So now, as you can see, no you cannot, so let's zoom in, tad. As you type on the keyboard, so, hello, oh. It shows up. My name. Oh shit. Name is Sabellan. There you go. Oh, I spelled my name wrong. There we go. It says, hello, my name is Sabellan. And yeah, so let's go to the home of the tablet. So you see the Bluetooth symbol is lit up there. That's that one. Put the cover on the keyboard. And if you see over here, now the Bluetooth symbol is not up. Lit up. So when you put the cover on the keyboard turns off. So nice little features. Maybe do a review of this. A review of this is coming up later when my computer's fixed, so I can clear up my memory card. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Like this video if you liked it. Dislike if you dislike. Doesn't matter to me. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.